Yeah, I'm in Birmingham. I just got off that bus. I just got off that bus.
Slip, slide, trying to provide for me. For me.
All right, you guys. So the Uber or the Lyft, whatever, one of them is on the way. Okay, bags are packed and ready to go. Y'all already know what's up. I'm finna give this away to somebody. I hope that's like, hopefully y'all can see somebody that's outside that's homeless. I'm gonna give this away to them because I don't plan on keeping this or taking this with me, but it's not gonna go to waste. I'm gonna make sure somebody uses this. And then but also these Chobanis, and they're really good. They're really good. I love these, but again, look how many that are left over, and I don't like to waste. So I'm also going to be giving those away too, to somebody that's homeless or in need of anything. So hopefully they're out there. But you guys know, if I don't, I'm going to give them to the employees. Like, for real. If I don't even see nobody out there, I'm just be like, hey, I know it's early in the morning. I know y'all probably gonna need some Red Bull to keep y'all energy up, because anybody that's working, they have that time of the day where they want to, clock out, but you gotta keep working. So I'm gonna give it, if I don't find anybody that's homeless, I'm gonna give it to somebody that's at work, because I'm sure they have a refrigerator in the back and they're gonna need it. But guess what? It ain't staying here. We outside. We outside with it. We outside with it. Hold on. I don't want to break my headphones. And the lift is here. There they go. Guys, this is where I'm at right now. This is where the Greyhound is supposed to be picking me up from. I have no idea if I'm supposed to be on that side or this side, but I think the bus comes this way. And yeah, we're just gonna see. Like I said before, I have these Red Bulls right here that I want to give out to some homeless people. There's one, he's one right there. A lot of them went across the street. I don't know if I should just leave it here and let somebody else find them, or actually give them to somebody. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, you guys, I just gave away my first. I just gave that guy walking away with the dog some stuff. I had opened it up because I was like, instead of giving one like box to like one person, I should just give it away to everybody. One of each to everybody. So I give him one too. Hey, you need some stuff? I've Red Bull sugar. Okay. No, I have it to give it away.
You can inform me specifically?
Yeah. I mean, I just gotta get rid of them because I'm about to not be able to have them. You're welcome. I don't want to just like put the camera up in their face, So my goal is by the time the bus gets here to have gotten rid of 12 packs of Red Bulls, and I got like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one, so I got 4 of these left. So yeah, my goal is to get rid of these. Hey sir, do you need something to drink? Thank you very much. You're welcome. God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Yes, no problem. Oh, he said I made his day. That made me feel good. Water? I want to give these shoes away to somebody. I was trying to look for somebody.
What size are they?
They are a size 8 in women's. They're size 8 in women's.
That'd be 9 in men's, or
I don't know. I mean, if you think you could try them, I was looking
I
for.
know a girl that can use them.
You know a girl that can, okay.
Or,
Yeah, take them in the bag. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm putting them back in the bag for you.
Good.
Please make sure they get to her. Should I give her some too? Give her a Red Bull too? Give her a Red Bull too.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's Cash. You can
Cash?
call me Cash. I'm just out here.
B-O-B.
Golf. Yeah, I'm.
Or sometimes I ain't known.
Hard times following a lot of people, you know, and stuff happens. I said hard times following a lot of people. Stuff happens, and it's good to have somebody that helps.
I would go to fill up my water bottles, and I was a little longer than I should have been, but some girl come right in and grab my damn backpack right now.
I know, that's why I want to go over there to give them, but I don't want to leave it. I don't want to leave this stuff here because I got to get on the bus. So I'm just like looking to see who.
How long are you gonna be?
I'm just waiting on the bus to get here. Greyhound.
Okay,
The Greyhound comes over here, right?
huh?
The Greyhound comes over here, right?
Yeah, the bus thing just left.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
But that probably wasn't mine. Yeah, mine doesn't come for a good amount of time.
You just come in and spread goodwill, and then
Yeah, whenever I can, I'd like to do that because it helps. I've been in the position before where I needed help and nobody, you know.
So what
Yeah.
if you come through the
Did you guys want a Red Bull and a?
Thank you.
You're welcome. God bless you. Does he want one too? He can have one. Uh-oh, his stuff's... Yeah, I got more. This is the last one of these I got, but I got more Red Bull. Yes, you're welcome, sweetheart. You're welcome. I got rid of all the Chobani's, Chobinis. So this guy's Dunkin' Donuts, Charlie's, and KFC. They got showers and laundry, and the restrooms over there. It's slap though. It's slap. It's slap. TA Express. And you know what? Ooh, shit. Don't fall, baby girl. Listen, y'all. I'm so scared to fall. You can tell which side of my head I've been sleeping on. But y'all, now for I appreciate TA for keeping their bathrooms real clean though. Like, that was really impressive. The bathroom was really clean. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at right now. Here goes the Greyhound bus. Show y'all where I'm at. He just walked up out of there. I just wanted to use the restroom. I got a Red Bull with me. I didn't sleep while I was I didn't sleep last night. But I'm up now. Yeah, I'm up now. I just gotta stretch my hair back out for a second. Cause when I tell you I was up all night last night, I did not fall asleep. I go to sleep once, so I was tired when I. But I'm finna get back. I'm finna get on live real quick. All right, you guys. I'm out here in Amarillo, Texas. Amarillo, Texas. Yeah, that's how you say it. At the bus station, waiting for the next bus to come so I can board that one. Because they said they were having some problems with the bus that we were on. It was having some problems, so we was gonna get back on that one. So dang, that lighted. But yeah, I'm waiting on the next bus, and whenever I get here, going to Atlanta. Here we go. I'm gonna show y'all what the bus station. The restrooms over there. And the ticket station over there. I'm not getting up because I don't want to get up. It's hot in here. I don't think they got the AC on. I don't know if they got the AC on, or if the AC just don't work, but it feels a little hot up in here. Yeah, look, my hair done shrunk. It's shrinking, but yeah. All right, bye. Mask off because it stank. It stank. I think Dallas is ghetto as fuck if you ride a Greyhound. If y'all ever ride a Greyhound, y'all let me know in the comments down below. But for me, this shit ghetto. This shit ghetto as hell. And then we finna go to Atlanta, you know that's ghetto too. I'm not made for this kind of shit. I would not recommend Greyhound. I don't recommend Greyhound. Greyhound ghetto. I heard Red Coach was better. But really a plane better. But not, I flew United though. United was good. I had space. I was in a place where I had space like in front of me and stuff like that. Look.
I just got on American.
American Airlines? Yeah, they're good. Don't fly Spirit or Frontier, bitch. Don't ever in your life do that. But yeah, like I said, Greyhound, this has been ghetto. only when it got ghetto when I got to Dallas. It got ghetto when I got to Dallas. I ain't even gonna cap. That's when the shit got ghetto. I should have recorded at the Greyhound station in Dallas. I should have recorded that for y'all so y'all can see what it looked like. Now the inside of it looked better than Texas. The Texas did. Y'all saw Texas. I don't know if y'all saw Texas, but I'm gonna upload that. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this one or
They're different all the markets.
yeah. Lord child, I don't know what the hell I'm finna see when we get to Atlanta. I ain't going to Mississippi. We going through Mississippi? Is we stopping in Mississippi?
I've taken this once. Because I'm going to Alabama. And I get up in Meridian. It's during the day though.
Yeah, y'all know I got this bonnet on because, my hair is precious. You are so kind. Thank you. You got the cord. Look, y'all look. Look. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Really ain't much to see. Yeah, Burger King over there. So I asked this woman that was in front of me if she could just lift her chair up just a little bit. I just asked her if she could recline it up just a little bit. And she turned around and looked at me and said no. But watch, something's finna happen to her later on in this video. Look. Child, it's always that one. All right, y'all. I'm in Texas now. Look at my head. Bitch, look at my hair. I'm about to go buy suitcase to get my coat. Don't judge me, y'all. Cause y'all know when y'all like, bitch, I've been on the bus and you put your head down, that bitch a little matic. Right? So I'm out here in Texas right now. The new bus driver that made everybody get off the bus, made everybody take their bags from up under the bus, and then she's gonna check your pass to see how many bags you're supposed to have. I guess I don't know. I'm assuming she's doing that because maybe people be sneaking bags on and they're not paying for it. So she's reinforcing that policy where she's making sure that you pay for the bag to be on the bus. So yeah, like I said, she get everybody off. Everybody had to get their bags from up under the bus, and everybody gonna line up again, put that stuff back on there, and she gonna make sure that everybody is in their correct seat. Me, I'm gonna sit by myself. I'm gonna get on last because I don't care. I like to sit by myself. I don't want to sit with nobody. And if there's extra seats, I'm gonna sit by myself. Let me show y'all Texas.
outside. That type shit that gets you trending. Y'all, I'm on the road. Give me to 1,000 subs. I need to get 1,000 subs. We on the road, okay? Road to 100. Shoot, road to 100K then. I had accidentally said that, so that's what's gonna be then. Road, this lighting is better like right here. Yeah, I like this lighting. Road to 100K. On the bus check, she checking the bus. They check certain things on the bus before they start to drive it. So I think she doing her bus check right now. But road to 100K. I don't know if y'all could hear me before. Road to 100,000 subs. All right, let's get there. Let's get there. I told y'all this is Ratchet. I told y'all when I got to Dallas, it got ratchet. I'm telling y'all, when I got to Dallas, it got so ratchet. I should have took a flight. I should have took a flight back, because, oh my God. Oh my God. And it's hot, y'all. Look, I got on. Y'all know Texas got this heat wave. Like, it's a lot of different states out here in the U.S. that's going through like a heat wave or whatever. Texas is really hot. Like, Texas is really hot out here. It's really fucking hot. I got on sweatpants with a little bit of fur on the inside. I got on this t-shirt, but I got a jacket because it be cold on the bus. So I got on my Burberry trench. Styled on them in this Burberry trench. All right, yeah, but you know, it's like, but yeah, waiting. I ain't want to. She don't want to let you on the bus?
No, she got an attitude. She been getting an attitude with me ever since then. And I ain't even fucking do it.
Now, this is the lady before that I asked to lift her seat up just a little bit, and she turned around, looked at me, and told me no. So this is her, and you know, although the bus driver was mean, both of these ladies is mean, to be honest. Both of them mean.
That's the thing. I ain't do shit. You getting an attitude with me for no reason.
My bad, I didn't mean to do that.
No, she ain't asked me. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Nah, you good. I'm just not everything I can. She be getting an attitude with me for slanging it. It's hard. The other driver, we ain't had no problem with it. She can tell you, we ain't had no problem with the other driver. I just walked the house to my bag. Man, I got to go to my 30 years old. Man, y'all can't do that, man. Cause I ain't do that to them. That ain't right, man. Man, what's his name? I didn't do anything. That's not right.
And I can tell you got a little attitude because she's talking about that's what I'm here for.
Okay, I'm not sure if y'all can hear what she was saying, but the other attendant that was on the bus had went to tell them that the bus driver was really rude, and the girl really didn't, the woman that's crying right now, she really didn't do anything, and that she's just a really rude bus driver, and that she still deserved to ride the bus because they were trying to make her wait an additional 3 hours just to get on a different bus, and she didn't do anything wrong.
Calm down, okay? Calm down, okay? Calm down.
God bless you, girl. God got you. God got you. Everything happened for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happened for a
We're
reason.
gonna get you there. We're gonna try to get you on the bus with you, okay? Just calm down.
Let me get my. She not letting her own?
Yeah,
She can let her own like that. She could just do that though? Like she can just pick her own?
Not really. I don't know the laws. I mean, the
I'm not
rules
sure
about
either.
Greyhound.
Pretty soon I'm gonna have to call Fleet with this situation because I feel like you questioning me. And I'm running this bus right now. All right, please ensure that you are sitting in your correct seat. Your bags must go under your seat. Under your seat, ma'am.
Yeah, I've been right. Yeah.
Utilize your headset or your headphones. Sleep
Excuse me, driver.
Now, I'm in the middle of giving an announcement.
Look, I can't help it.
Right now, you probably...
No, I try to give him the person you can talk to. Or you want to call his phone.
That girl crying. She don't have to wait.
Okay, then call him directly. It's better.
She had a seat. I sat behind her. She had a seat leaning all the way back, and I had asked her if she could put her seat up. Y'all, I think they told her that she can't drive this bus. That's what I think just happened. I think they told her she can't drive this bus because what she done did to that girl. And I just want to say, throughout this trip, with all these stops and switching drivers, mostly all of them have been disrespectful and rude to the passengers on the bus. For no reason, just catching attitudes, yelling in people's faces, and Greyhound, y'all really need to fix that. Because she done start giving instructions and everything. Nana boo boo. The other girl, she driving now. That's what I'm talking about, bitch. That right there is the example of somebody getting humble. I want to get her a high five. I'm ready to go now, though, for real. We gotta get going. Trey, ain't nothing happening. I'm recording me. You want to get on? Now it's on you. You said hey. Yeah, I'm in Birmingham. I just got off that bus. And this is how they station look. It look all right. You know, it looked a lot better than others. So this bus station did look very clean. I did not go into the restroom, so I don't know how clean the restrooms were. My only complaint for this bus station is the fact that the customer service were so rude and disrespectful again. Okay, and I think she was really confused because she was giving out the wrong information. But I had just got off that damn bus. Y'all, this bus station is in the hood. I'm in Atlanta right now, and we are very much, this station is very much in the hood. You go outside, listen, one of the people told me not even go outside, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like outside. It's a hood. Y'all know the hood stores that be open all night, and the people that be standing outside, yeah, it's right across the street. I'm gonna show y'all, but I gotta charge my phone, so I'm gonna wait till they call my bus.
100 at 12:15 a.m. going to Chicago, Illinois. With stops in Chattanooga, Tennessee, Nashville, Louisville, Kentucky, Indianapolis, Indiana, Lafayette, Chicago, with connections to Memphis, Tennessee, that is scheduled 100 at 12:15. Also scheduled 670 at 12:20 a.m. to New York, with stops in Charlotte, North Carolina, Salisbury, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, Durham.
Yo, this is the outside of the Greyhound station.
There was a lot more people over there at that store, but yeah. Somebody said she recording us. Oh Lord, let me go get on this bus, bitch. Let me go get on this bus, bitch. This is the hood. I stay safe though. I keep it. She gonna fight about that bus, bitch. She gonna fight about that bus. Hope you ready to go to war for it. Cause she ready to fight for it. Oh, I couldn't wait to tell y'all about this. Them two right there, Them the freaks. They the freaks of the bus. I swear. So when I got on this bus, they did not know each other, y'all. Like she said, "Oh, can I sit here? Yeah. This and that." Did a whole intro, and they started doing some freaky stuff on this bus.
Ah, te dé la dirección de la casa si la sabes o la calle.
Yo, I'm so tired of being on this goddamn bus. I don't like. I'm tired of being on this bus.
Tres mujeres. Y te tratan como un rey allá, como un rey.
Yo eso te lo puedo creer, porque es muy barato.
Sí.
Especialmente cuando tú vas a buscar cadenas y relojes y todo.
Allá es barato. Allá sí vale la pena ir. Yo quiero ir, pero no he tenido la oportunidad de ir. He ido a Guatemala. He ido mucho a Guatemala. Tengo una novia de Guatemala. Sí. Pero yo vivo conmigo en Tijuana ya. Le voy a arreglar papeles, voy a casar con ella pronto y la voy a traer para acá. Pero ya no me gusta Florida. A mí me encanta Los Ángeles, California. Todo lo de California me encanta. Yo vivo mucho tiempo en Florida, mami. Ya me casé en Florida. No pagan bien. No me gusta. El dólar a 14. Cuando está ahí, sí, te chingas, te joden. Y por eso tiene que cambiar, como tú dices, muy importante.
That shit don't